Hi Varun, I need a quick advice.
Sure. About what?
I'm so confused about buying health insurance. There are so many options, but I don't know which will be helpful at the time of crisis, giving me adequate sum insured at competitive premiums.
Why don't you try HDFC ERGO Optima Lite health insurance? I've just got one for myself.
HDFC ERGO? It's a big name. Will it work in our town like Roorkee?
Of course. Optima Litte is an affordable health insurance from HDFC ERGO, catering to customers like us. It has amazing offerings like unlimited restore benefit, which never lets your coverage run out by restoring it again and again. You also get rewarded with 10% bonus every year, irrespective of claim. 10% of bonus amount will be added to your coverage the next year. What's more, it also covers pre- and post-hospitalisation expenses. And you also get daily cash for shared rooms in a network hospital. It covers home health care and Ayush treatment as well. There are so many attractive benefits provided at an economical premium, which makes the product tailor-made for people like us.
That's a lot.
I know. Actually, Optima Lite offers much more, like these optional coverages. Protect benefit for listed non-medical expenses. Aggregate deductible, with which you can decide your premium share and get a discount on your premium. Plus benefit to double up your coverage in just 2 years, and so much more. In fact, there are multiple beneficial add-ons like critical illness, hospital cash benefit, personal accident, and Optima well-being.
This is unbelievable, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Because when a trusted brand like HDFC ERGO comes up with a pocket-friendly insurance, they still offer much more than any ordinary health insurance.
You have given me so much clarity. Optima Lite health insurance will solve a lot of my financial worries.
Absolutely. At an affordable price, it provides so many benefits. You get all of this with the trust of HDFC ERGO that offers 16,000 plus cashless healthcare network providers in India, processes 2 claims every minute, has settled approximately 19,000 plus crore worth of health claims, with claims approved within 40 minutes, having 1.6 plus crore happy customers, and serving them 24/7 via call center in 10 languages. That's why I recommend Optima Lite. Light on pocket and large on coverage.